Linked list implementation of a queue. Queue can be implemented using linked list with dynamic size. So what is the drawback of array implementation in the sense fixed size array? Once you have fixed the size of the array throughout the program, that size only you can able to utilize. Okay, that is the drawback. That drawback we can able to overcome in linked list implementation. So here in linked list implementation, each node in a linked list will store one element. For example, if you want to store one element in the sense, you have to create a node structure. First part is called data part and the next part is called the next pointer that will store the address of the next element. So here we can able to store the element. The first part will store the element. And here also there are two pointers we will use, front pointer and rear pointer. So here the front pointer will represent the first node in the linked list and the rear pointer will represent the last node in the linked list. For example, here we are storing 3 elements. Okay. So 10, 20 and 30, there are 3 elements and last node there is no next pointer, so it is represented by null. So in this linked list, first node will be represented by front pointer and the last node will be represented by rear pointer. Okay. And same procedure only, the NQ operation will happen at the rear position only and the DQ operation will happen at the front pointer position only. Suppose if I want to insert a new element in the sense, that is if I want to add a new element to this node structure in the sense, just create a new node and attach at the end of the rear pointer. For example, if I want to perform an NQ operation in the sense, create a new node at the end of the rear, okay, and place the element in the data part and the next part as null, and now the rear pointer you just mark it as the new node and create a link to the next node. That's it. You have added the new element. If I want to implement a DQ operation in the sense, just delete the first node, the node pointed by the front pointer, and after deleting, now the front pointer will be pointing to the next node. Now this is the front pointer node after deletion. Okay, so NQ operation happens at the rear position and DQ operation happens at the front position. And here also peak operation also we can able to implement. What do you mean by peak or front operation? Similar to array implementation only. It will return the front element in the queue linked list. The front element here is 20. So just the peak operation or front operation, it will return 20. So these are all the basic operations we can able to perform with linked list. NQ, DQ, front or peak.